Hello, folks. Traveling from one destination to another and searching delicious taste of streets, then this channel is for you to explore awesome ready-to-eat delicacies all over the country. But before going further, please like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel if you find the content useful. In this video, I'm going to tell you about top 10 places to eat street food in Delhi. Take a look. केदारनाथ प्रेमचंद हलवाई. This sweet shop serves you its popular eateries आलू की सब्जी, बेदमी पूरी, कचौरी समोसा, bread pakoda and lassi at reasonable price. If you are wandering around Chandni Chowk, New Delhi, visit shop number 4737 in main Ballibara opposite Choti Baradari. Bishan Swarup Chaat Corner. Chaat lover, this chaat corner is a thumbs up for you. It makes one of the best aloo and fruit chaat. You can find this shop in Chandni Chowk, New Delhi, near Ashish Medicos. The shop number is 1421. Jain Chawal Wale, Connaught Place. A famous place to eat vegetarian food. This place has rajma chawal, kadhi chawal, shahi paneer chawal, parathas, and so on. It's often crowded in the evenings. You can spot this shop at P1 190 Connaught Circus, Connaught Place, New Delhi. Prince Pan, Greater Kailash and Gurgaon. This shop doesn't just have flavored pans, but the names are interesting too. From icy cool sandal chocolate to Karina special, honeymoon special, and Varvadu special. If the names excite you too, please run into this shop at M29/5 M Block, Part 1, Greater Kailash. Chache Di Hatti. Chole Bhature, the typical North Indian food, and Chache Di Hatti is the destination to taste amazing chole bhature, kulche, aloo puri, and lassi. To try your taste buds, go to Kamla Nagar on Bungalow Road in New Delhi and look for D33 Block G. Qureshi Kebab Corner. If you crave for non-vegetarian and especially kebab, this corner must be the stop for you. From Sikh kebab, Rumali roti to chicken kebab and many more will be at your service, quick and budget friendly. You can locate it near Jama Masjid opposite gate number 1, New Delhi. Kurimal Mohanlal Kulfi Wale. Do you have a sweet tooth? Do you always yearn for desserts? Then why are you waiting? Just run into Kurimal Kulfi Wale and you are not going to regret. They provide you kulfi with a number of flavors: milk based kulfi, fruit based kulfi, and stuffed kulfi. Isn't it tempting? The locality is 526 Kuchapati Ram Sita Ram Bazar near Chavri Bazar Metro Station, Chavri Bazar, New Delhi. Chakkas Bombay Pav Bhaji, another destination for foodies. You are gonna love this place for its affordable and mouth-watering food. The three most Mumbaiya items, vada pav, pav bhaji, and dabeli, worth a try at this stall. They also have some good Chinese eateries. You can find the stall at E20 Sri Krishna Mandir, Central Market, Lajpat Nagar 2, New Delhi. Hunger Strike. Who doesn't love momos nowadays? Believe it or not, you are going to treat yourself with some smothering and yummy momos and Chinese rolls at Hunger Strikes. Tandoori momos are their specialty. To grab a bite here, you can reach C9 Amar Colony Market, New Delhi. Natraj Dahi Bhalle at 1396 Main Road near Central Bank, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Natraj Dahi Bhalla corner is winning people's hearts since 1940. It is one of the oldest chaat shop in Chandni Chowk and the authenticity is still intact in the flavors. Dahi bhallas and dahi pakoris with sweet tamarind chutney are some of the renowned dishes out there. Delhi will give you food options at every nook and corner. Now it's your choice which corner of the hut you want. And wait for our other videos to know more street food places of different cities. Till then, don't stop munching.